In this lesson we learn when to stop iterations in the secant method. Each iteration gives a better approximation of the root. After several iterations, the approximations become very close to each other. When the values stop changing significantly, the method has converged. Now let us solve x squared minus 2 equals 0. First define the function. Substituting 1 gives -1. Substituting 2 gives +2. The sign changed from negative to positive, therefore the root lies between 1 and 2. Choose 1 and 2 as the starting approximations. Now apply the secant method formula. Substitute the values into the formula. Simplify the denominator. 2 divided by 3 gives 0.6667. Subtracting gives 1.3333. Now calculate the function value at 1.3333. 1.3333 squared equals approximately 1.7777. Subtracting gives -0.2223. Substitute into the formula again. The next approximation becomes 1.4000. Now calculate the function value at 1.4. 1.4 squared equals 1.96. Subtracting gives -0.04. Substitute into the formula once more. The next approximation becomes 1.4146. After another iteration, the approximation becomes 1.4142. Now compare the last two approximations. The difference is now extremely small. The approximations are now almost the same. Since the values are no longer changing significantly, we stop the iterations. The root is approximately 1.4142. In numerical methods, we usually stop when successive approximations become very close. The smaller the difference between approximations, the more accurate the solution becomes. Even after convergence, tiny round-off errors may still exist because decimal values are rounded.